Don't forget, you're all invited to the Family Feud Race Day, hosted by Greenlight Media, April 28th, 2018. Check the video in the description below for more details. See you there.
If you guys think about it, if a pregnant woman goes swimming, is she technically a human submarine?
What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to do a video. It's kind of an update on an old video that I did. It's titled the 75-cent mod. A lot of things have changed since then. The mod's not really 75 cents anymore. It's more like $2, $2.50. But it's basically called Welt Cord. So let me show you what I did. So Welt Cord can be ordered from a website called yourautotrim.com. It comes in tons of different colors. Mine being a red car, I got the red trim. So in my last video I didn't really show how I did this, but Welt Cord is basically kind of this round bead, and then it has this plastic lip to it. And basically everywhere around your car that there's a seam or a gap between the trim, you can actually put this Welt Cord. So in the doors, I basically run it up, and all this just pushes in. It just pushes right in, and it doesn't come off. It's been on there for 2 years now. A lot of people just trim it off right here at the corner. What I prefer to do is I cut about half of it off, and I actually just pushed it into the corner like so. That way you don't have a sharp edge right here. But there it is in the door. Around the bezel, starts on one part of the steering wheel, all the way around the bezel. It gets really tight right through here, so you might have to use a small flathead screwdriver and carefully do it without scratching the bezel. All the way up, back in there. Now there's some people that have gone and put it in between their shifters here. There's people that have put it up inside little gaps like that. It gets a little much if you do too much, but you know, to each their own. Then I've also gone and done it on the back door as well. But it used to be called the 75-cent mod. It's now the $2 mod, or the Welt Cord mod, seat Welt Cord. Multiple names for this. But I just wanted to do a little bit of an update and show you how easy the install is. It literally just presses in. And the finish on it looks factory. I mean, people think that the car actually comes with those little red accents, but it looks pretty good. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.